Is Windows failing to load because of the Coreuicomponents DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the corruption and have the fix ready. To start the walkthrough for Core UI components, you can follow my technical guide or use a utility designed to optimize your system configuration. This is the Core UI components, the Core User Interface Components library. It manages unmanaged localized rendering for modern Windows shell elements, facilitating the localized orchestration of unmanaged XAML-based UI manifests for system dialogs. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. This is a core Windows system file issue. Run the system file checker by opening command prompt as an administrator and entering sfc/scan now. Windows will scan your system and automatically repair missing or corrupted core files such as MySQL data module DLL. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Core UI components, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. The version of MySQL data module DLL found on most download sites is often compiled for different hardware, which can cause your CPU to work harder or crash. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. The diagnostic utility reference below offers general information for managing Core UI components and maintaining system health. I'm Sophie Chen. If this guide resolved the DLL error preventing Core UI components from launching, please subscribe for more verified engineering fixes.